Another JCL interview question that can be asked is how to pass a values to a program from a JCL. So you have a COBOL program, or it can be a PL/1 program. You wanted to pass a value to the program. So how do you pass it, right? So I think you already know the answer, but PAM is used in an exec level. So we have a another parameter, so which keyword parameter that we use at the exec level statement. Using the PAM we can use it. How much data you can pass? You can pass the data of 1 to 100 bytes to your program, and when PAM is used, you should have the linkage section coded in the COBOL program to receive the value, right? So the linkage section, how it looks, so it looks like this. So you have a PAM parameter. I mean, this name I have given, so you can have any name written there. So for a better understanding purpose, I've mentioned there. And the first one will have the length. So the length of the bytes that you are passing, that will be mapped to the S904 comp variable, and the maximum value, as I said, so that it can accommodate 100. Right? If you are passing 10 bytes, make sure this value is 10 bytes. If you are passing 20 bytes, make sure this is passing to 20 bytes. So this is how you can answer, right? So how to pass the values to program from JCL? Don't say like, okay, using PAM within exec statement. Just try to elaborate. Okay, you explain them like, okay, we can pass up to maximum 100 bytes of a data, and when you are passing the data, it should receive in the link. If it is a COBOL program, so we should be received in a linkage section. Ideally, so the most of the, I can say, like the maximum programmers that they are working, they use COBOL. Okay, that's the reason I'm taking an example of the COBOL program and explaining that. Okay, so this is how you have to explain. You have some program, so this is like a fin program, and then you are passing some parameters to this. So let's say I wanted to pass some let's say, okay, okay, what value I can take? Some data, some names or dates, so some data I'm passing here. Okay, so this is how many bytes, let's say 20 bytes. I mean, even if you pass less than that, also fine. So if you're passing this 10 bytes or 15 bytes, so what should happen? So within the program, so you should have this PAM para or PAM values, so you can specify, and then you have to code the comp variable, and then let me show you this. Okay, so then you have to code this specific, let's say, parameter. Okay, and let's say what are the values you can pass here. Okay, so you can specify the length and the value, so values, like I can say, like values receive. Okay, so the whatever that is 15 bytes or 10 bytes, so you can specify that. So this is how we can code this. That's how you need to answer. So whenever the interviewer asks like, how do you pass values from program, I mean, sorry, to program from a JCL, right?